Tasi!
Hello again, little learners! Are you ready for a nice new letter? It's the nifty letter N. Can you say it with me? N, N, N. This is uppercase N. And this is lowercase n. N is for Nightingale. Sings a gentle song. Night. Stars twinkle in a dark blue sky. Nuts. A squirrel carries them happily. Let's trace the letter N in the air. Up, down on a slant, and up again. Nice job! You made an uppercase N.
N is for Nightingale, singing so sweet. Nuts for the squirrel, a tasty treat. Nighttime stars that shine so bright. N is the letter we love tonight.
Nice work, friends. Wave goodbye to Nightingale, nuts, and the night sky. We'll see you for the next new letter.